Today we are checking out Burst. This is a website where you can find copyright-free images for your projects, your art, your business, and much more. When you go onto their website, there's just a search bar right there that you can start to use. They also have a collections tab, so if you want to get a bit more specific with different categories, new photos, business ideas, and resources, which is kind of nice, various different things that you can use, and they're just trying to help you out. So if we want to search here, maybe mountain landscape. If I like this one down here, you can click on that. It brings it up, brings down your downloadability right there. It brings down who the photo is by, featured in different categories. And here's the important part, is the license. So this is a Creative Commons, which, as you probably know, Creative Commons you can pretty much do anything with. You can reproduce it and sell it, all that kind of stuff. Let's go back, however. Maybe I like this one up here. If I scroll down here, this one is Burst, some rights reserved, and you can click right on these and it tells you exactly what you can and can't do with that. So with this one, from my understanding, the main difference with this one is you can't just download it and sell it as is. You can download it, but you have to modify it in order to then use it commercially. It isn't one you can't just download and sell. But you also still don't need to provide attribution to the photographer. However, that is a nice thing to do. So underneath of each of those images, you can always find that there. If you want to become a contributor, just hit the login and you can go in and create your own account and upload your own images to this one. This one doesn't have features like some of the websites where you can create your own collections or see what you've downloaded or things like that. This one's just kind of a one-off thing. So one thing that I often do is copy the link of which one that I've downloaded and put that in the file name. When I download the image, then I always have where it came from, and I can always remember where I got it. If you have any questions about this one, make sure you comment or send me a message. I'll do my best to help you out. If you haven't checked out my other videos talking about other websites and online libraries where you can find copyright-free images, I'll link that playlist in the description as well. Thanks for joining me here. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.